In this course, we are mastering two skills at the same time. That is, we are both programming and learning technical English, specifically the vocabulary that is used in programming.
Python is a programming language where, to be honest, you actually can't write in Russian. That's why English itself is included as well. So there are some new words for us. We write down the translation and learn them.
We are basically mastering all aspects of programming so that we can create the graphics, the data, and everything else for this game. From scratch, completely from zero.
I'm learning a lot of interesting things here, also with the help of additional programs connected through Python. Sometimes we do a bit of drawing. Well, we're given different tasks and we come up with answers for them.
Join my course because it's fun here and also very useful. You'll master both English and programming languages and you'll become awesome programmers in the future.
If you want to achieve real success in programming in the future, because I believe that the future of our planet depends on programming, and if you want to contribute to this, so to speak, to this plan, then come and at least try Python. This will definitely help you, I assure you. Have you ever attended any courses like this before or not? This will definitely help you. I've seen this for myself.